माननीय सभापति जी,
Papers to be laid on the table, Sri Arjun Munda.
महोदय,
पेपर्स लेने के बाद ना जरूर
मैं आज की संशोधित सूची में क्रम संख्या 1 पर मेरे नाम से सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखना चाहता हूं।
श्री प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल।
सभापति महोदय, मैं अपने वरिष्ठ साथी मंत्री श्री गजेंद्र सिंह जी शेखावत के नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 2 पर उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं, जो ब्रह्मपुत्रा बोर्ड गुवाहाटी के वार्षिक प्रतिवेदन और उसके कार्यकरण की रिपोर्ट है। बहुत धन्यवाद।
श्री वी मुरलीधरन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
श्री फगन सिंह कुलस्ते।
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री अश्विनी कुमार चौबे।
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली के क्रम संख्या 5 पर अपने नाम के सामने पर्यावरण, वन एवं जलवायु परिवर्तन मंत्रालय से संबंधित सूचीबद्ध विवरण सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
श्री वी मुरलीधरन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Sir, with your permission, I raise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial 7 of revised list of business for today. These concern section 10 and 37 of National Highways Act.
Sri Ramdas Atwale.
Respected Chairman, sir, I lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Sri V. Muralidharan.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against her name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Nityanand Roy.
की संशोधित कार्यावली में क्रम संख्या 10 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
प्रोफेसर एसपी सिंह बघेल।
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 11 पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को हिंदी और संस्करण रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 12 in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमती मीनाक्षी लेखी।
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज के कार्य की संशोधित सूची में क्रम संख्या 13 पर अपने नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित कागजात को सदन में पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूं।
डॉक्टर सुभाष सरकार।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यावली सूची की क्रम संख्या 14 पर मेरे साथी मंत्री श्रीमती अन्नपूर्णा देवी के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री वी मुरलीधरन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Ajay Bhatt ji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name at serial number 15 in today's revised list of
business. Sri B.L. Verma.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 16 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
सुश्री प्रतिमा भौमिक।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 17 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ।
डॉक्टर सुभाष सरकार।
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यावली सूची की क्रम संख्या 18 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
डॉक्टर भगवत कराद।
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name, serial number 19, in the revised list of business for today.
Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar.
Honorable Chairperson, sir, with your kind permission, I raise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 20 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
TV Muralidharan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Bishweshwar Tuduji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name at serial number 21 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Nishit Pramanik.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज के कार्य संचालन की संशोधित सूची के क्रमांक 22 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दर्शाए गए दस्तावेज सदन की पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Reports of the Department Red Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry, Dr. K. Keshav Rao, Sri Sanjay Seth.
Present the 310th, 311th, 312th report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry as listed against my name.
Report of the Department Red Parliament Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sri A. Vijay Kumar.
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to lay the 9th report of the Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sri Hardeep Singh Puri.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 5th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development on demands for grants 2021-22 pertaining to the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sir, I lay the statement.
Sri Pagan Singh Kuraste.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित ग्रामीण विकास विभाग संबंधी स्थायी समिति की 13वीं रिपोर्ट के संबंध में समिति द्वारा दी गई विशेष सिफारिशों के क्रियान्वयन की वर्तमान स्थिति सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, I rise to lay the statements listed against his name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Krishnapal ji.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित भारी उद्योग मंत्रालय से संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 302वें एवं 306वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्वेश सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन से संबंधित वक्तव्य सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री सोम प्रकाश।
Sir, with your kind permission, I make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendation contained in 158th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on attracting investment in post-COVID economy, challenges and opportunities for India pertaining to the Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 163rd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on action taken by the government on the observation recommendation contained in its 158th report on attracting investment in post-COVID economy, challenges and opportunities for India pertaining to the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Thank you.
V. Muralidharan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Ajay Bhatt, I rise to lay the statements listed against his name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
What is the issue? Sir, first mention the issue. They know their permit.
The important issue, sir, you might have seen in Indian Express, the MLAs and mayor, relatives of commissioner, SDM, DIG, officials.
For that, you have to give a notice.
No.
Please. No.
Sir.
This is the way. Newspaper cannot be read and you have to give a notice, please.
Sir.
See, honorable members.
Sir, no. Sir, you take note. It is a very important newspaper.
I cannot.
And also.
Very important. I also like that newspaper, like you also and many people also. But question is, the system in the house is that newspapers cannot be read. You have to give
I
a
am
notice.
not reading it, sir. I am reading my notes.
No.
I am not.
The answers to questions entered in both the lists for today are treated as read. No, you can't dictate to me. The honorable members, the winter session of the August House, this is not going on record. This concludes today. I am not happy to share with you the House functioned much below its potential. I urge all of you to collectively and individually reflect and introspect if this session could have been different and better. I don't want to speak elaborately on the course of this session, as it would lead to me to make a very critical view. Statistics regarding various aspects of functioning of the House during this session will be released to media to wider dissemination. I wish you all Merry Christmas, happy, healthy and prosperous English New Year, and also realization of what has happened is wrong, and we should all work towards constructive, positive atmosphere for the larger interest of the country. My greetings of our Sankranti, Pongal and other functions. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Rulings, regulations and procedure, precedents, decency and decorum has to be maintained. The House is adjourned to meet at... Before I adjourn the House, Vande Mataram.